One of the hardest things to do as a business owner is to create content and then just publish it across all different platforms. You know you should be doing it, but just getting the time and having the energy to actually go over to a platform, copy and paste something, put something on LinkedIn, then put something on YouTube, then put something on Facebook, it becomes a bit time consuming after a while. Luckily, I've come up with an automation which actually does this for you. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm using a tool called RoboMotion to do it. And RoboMotion is an RPA tool, and it basically allows you to automate anything that you can typically do in a browser. So if you can do something in a browser, you can no doubt automate it through RoboMotion. I've included a little link for RoboMotion just underneath this video, but I'll show you the automation in action and show you exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So this is a sheet with a lot of different posts on it that have been produced by AI. And basically how I've programmed RoboMotion is I've programmed it to go into this sheet, pull out a specific line that hasn't already been posted and post it on a specific platform. So for instance, in this column right here, this is for LinkedIn, and anything that's said it's done on this column here has already been posted to LinkedIn. On this column right here, anything that's marked as complete has already been posted to YouTube. So RoboMotion is going to look at this spreadsheet and it's going to find these two lines, and then it's going to go and post them to LinkedIn and YouTube. I've also got another spreadsheet which looks very similar to this, which contains tweets on it. And RoboMotion is also going to look through that spreadsheet, pull out the next tweet which needs tweeting, and it's going to send that to Twitter to be tweeted. I'll show you exactly how that looks right now. So let's just press go on the flow. You can see it's just loading. It's going to straight away go to YouTube, which is what it's doing. It's opened it up on my other screen. And it's going to click into this area here and type the next available bit of content which needs to go out. So you see that it's just put that in there. And now it's posting it. It's just posted it there. It's then going to exit this browser. It's then going to move on to LinkedIn. Not sure why it keeps opening it up on this other page. It's going to go straight onto LinkedIn. It's going to click into this post area. What it's doing right now is it's actually searching for the next available post in this little side window I've got. Just click to the post area. This is completely hands-free. And it's going to drag in the next available piece of content. I should have really edited this post before I thought to post it and took it out of the spreadsheet. That's a bit dark, that one is. People are going to be like, what's going on in Rob's life? I've put all this through a content rewriter though, so maybe the first post didn't say that. Now it's posted it, you can see it in the background here. It's going to log out and it's going to go to the next one, which is Twitter now. The reason why it's paused is because I've made it pause a little bit, so it doesn't just do it straight away, so it doesn't get detected as like a bot. Because all these platforms now, they want to rule out like the bots, they want to take out automation. There is no failure, only opportunities for growth through learning from feedback. Cool, tweet it, should click the tweet next. All right, so it's clicked the tweet, so now it's stopped that full flow. So what we're gonna do next is we're actually gonna go to each of those platforms and we're gonna just double check these things have been posted. So I'm gonna go to Twitter first. There is no failure, 17 seconds ago. There is no failure, only opportunities for growth through learning from feedback. The reason why it opens a different window and it doesn't use your current browser is because it opens something called a sandbox mode. So it opens basically a brand new edition of Chrome as if you've never logged into it before. It hasn't got any extensions installed at all. The great thing about that is you can continue working in a different window in the background. So I could technically have, when it's coming up with the YouTube, it's coming up with Twitter, it's coming up with LinkedIn, ready to post something, I could technically have that window minimized and it will still do the same thing in the background. So it doesn't actually need me to be looking at it. I'm only looking at it because I'm recording it, right? So it makes it very, very easy. Just scroll onto LinkedIn here. You can see that it's also posted the right post here as well. And you can see the most recent post on YouTube is this one here as well. Many people have the wrong idea, which is what it posted before. So it's all working great. Just at a click of a button, it's dragged out 3 pieces of content and posted it on different platforms. Think how much time that would save you. So as you can see, automation's pretty cool and it's taking over the world. I'm also going to combine these posts to be rewritten by ChatGPT, which is what I'm going to do in the next video. If you want either of these flows, the best places to reach out to me are either on LinkedIn or Instagram.
and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. That's the best places to reach me. Also, check out RoboMotion underneath as well. I've included a little link. I think it gets you some sort of free plan or a free trial or something free. I'm not entirely sure. Probably the worst salesman in the world to try and sell you on RoboMotion, but it's a great tool, honestly. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see the next video with AI, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in that next video. Have a great one.